This is really easy, so fast. Here I chain the stitches. You can chain any number of the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we skip first one, insert the hook to the second, pull up the loop, pull up the loop. This is Tunisian simple stitch. We do one time and don't repeat. This one, 7, 8, so this row we do one time and don't repeat. First row, and this is the row we repeat all the time. We get this stitch like this and insert the hook to here. See, get the stitch and insert the hook to here. Like this. We repeat this all the time. See, we insert the hook to here and pull up the loop. So we do like this. See, we get the stitch like this and behind the stitch. No, not like this. We do open the stitch, insert the hook and pull up the loop. Here we have stitch, 2 bars. We insert the 2 bars and crochet 1, 2 together, 2 together, 2 together, 2 together till end of the row, like this. See, repeat all the time. We take the stitch like this, see, and insert the hook, pull up the loop. Take like this and between front and back stitch we insert the hook like this. See, so we take the stitch and everyone, this is knitting and crochet. So in this tutorial I will show how to knit this Tunisian chain stitch. Here just 1 row, 4 repeats to do.